Issue 70 of Build Your Own McLaren. In this issue, we're going to be assembling the induction pod. First, we're going to take the induction pod support and the induction pod cowl. And then this will glue with, there's two, if you notice, there's sort of a recess on that side and it's flat on the other side. So with the flat side sticking out, we need to put some adhesive in there and on there, and then we stick that in. Let's check its location. And then we take the fin. If we notice, the fin has got a hole and it's got a pin, so that will then go into this location like that. So pop the end up with a pin in first. Okay, that's that half done. We'll set that aside to dry, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Issue 71 of Build Your Own McLaren. We're going to be assembling the induction pod part 2. Exactly the same. We're going to be building up the opposite side of this, but we are also going to be joining the two halves together. Set those aside to dry. So we have the two halves. You can see, you can spot that now. It looks like that's bent as well. So this is another one where I have to straighten it. So it seems fine there. Just the pins out. Right, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna heat that up and try and straighten that piece here. As you can see, is rather on the bent side. So that is now straight after heating it up and bending it back. So happy days. Next we need to glue the two halves together like that. So I'm gonna, there we are, there. So we need to put some glue along here and also on the pins. So I'm just going to put some super glue. Okay. So line the pins up. So we're going to have to tape this while I wait for the glue to go off. Yeah.